Okay, check this out. I'm going to tell you something that a lot of people may not say on the internet. And this is something, when is a good time to save on costs when you're doing your transaction fees, when you're trying to dig or bury or anything like using Ethereum? And I'll log in right now and I'll show you exactly where I'm at. So this is my Shiba Inu right now. So if I'm trying to stake some of this actually Shiba Inu, I have to use the Ethereum gas fee. So I have to pay for miner fees. And what I found out, between 1 a.m. and about 7 a.m. is a really good time to save on cost. So check this out. If I'm trying to stake 50% of this and I bring back the mobile device, look at that, $3.68. $3.68. And that's what I noticed, is that really late at night and really early in the morning, you can save on necessary gas fees. Now, this is not necessarily financial advice. I'm just sharing you some things that I discover throughout time doing these type of transactions. Would you rather pay $3 or $33? So basically, just think about it. When you're doing your transactions, just think about late at night, early in the morning. That may be something to think about. Now, you're probably thinking, okay, is this East Coast, Central? I think it tends to be Central time, but I'm on East Coast time, so I really just do 1 a.m. to 7 a.m. when I'm trying to do transactions. So I'm not trying to do a large transaction or multiple in this. I try to look to do it at late at night. So let me check something out as well. If I'm say, let me see if I can do 25% of that. Let me go back and I'm just testing this out. Look at that, $3.29. Look at that. It's still, so it's actually went in a different price. So let me cancel that again. Let's say I'm trying to stake 100% of this, the rest of this, right? So I'll go ahead, click on stake, and $3.29 once again. So look at that. So I'm just kind of testing things out. So that's the bury. So if I was trying to bone and I'm trying to stake, I don't know, 100% of that, and I only have 10 tokens maximum, 10.805 maximum to actually stake, stake. Let me see where, $3.24. Not too bad, $3.24. So the price still stays low. So $3, I can handle $3. I remember paying $33, $43 for gas fees in the morning, like around 11 a.m. or even 3 p.m. in the afternoon. I remember just paying more than $3. So I'm just kind of playing around with this a little bit. Let me see if anything else. Let's say if I was trying to create something. This is just an example. And if I'm trying to dig and I grab Shiba, right? All this is just testing. I'm doing my maximum here. And let's say digging. Let's see what the price would be. So if I was trying to confirm that, I bring phone again, $3.54 again. $3.54 again. Even when I'm digging or burying, I'm still keeping the price very, very low. So that's really, really good there. So, and look at this. Okay, so then, the miner fees, if I was trying to confirm the next transaction, $13. Now, that's not that bad, in my opinion, when I'm trying to add liquidity to Ethereum and Shiba pairing. That's not that bad either. So I'm just going to cancel that. We're not going to get that right now. So I just wanted to show you. So I'm going to close this and go back to here. So in recap, I know this video is a little bit short. When is a good time to make transactions and for you can use your when you're paying for the miner fees and using your Ethereum and adding your Ethereum in? I used to look at 1 a.m. to 7 a.m. That's something I look for. Test it out. It's not necessarily financial advice. It's just something that I've learned throughout the time. And I noticed like $3, $4, or even $2, or even $1, I went through that as well. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel for more information of the Shiba Inu or the Shiba tutorial and the Shiba swap. And I'll see you on the next video.